Yo, what is going on, guys? This quick tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get free Microsoft rewards points in 2026. You can get 100,000 free Microsoft points fast and for free. And this literally takes a few minutes, uses a code. So this is a code you can enter into the rewards dashboard, and it is going to add 100,000 points to your account. If you don't know where to redeem your code, let me just show you. Microsoft redeem code. There we go. And it's going to bring you to this page where you redeem a gift card or code in your Microsoft account. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to get your code for 100,000 points. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So you're going to need to use your mobile phone to obtain your Microsoft rewards points code, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. Type it like this, Crash Coupons. Pause and copy that if you're dyslexic and you can't type. But Crash Coupons is a game code website, and they have codes for other things as well. They of course have Microsoft points codes. So use the search bar and just search for Microsoft. Here we go, Microsoft rewards. And there's only one code, so it shouldn't be too confusing. Scroll down. You can get 100,000 free points. So this is going to get 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points. Like I said, this is a code you can redeem. And you can see they are limited codes. 600 plus codes remaining. But they do replenish as well. So it's found a valid code. Now, basically, guys, this prevents people taking more than one of these codes. As you can see, it is locked. You need to unlock your code. I've already done this, so I won't do it again, guys, but it's pretty easy. You just click on that block button there. I'll click on it just to show you, but yeah, you're going to see a new page here that tells you what to do. You need to complete a couple of the tasks on this page. Basically, they're all completely free, and they're basically things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing games. Just follow the instructions for 2 of them, and yeah, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your code will be revealed. I did this earlier. You can only do it once, but yeah, it's pretty easy. Super simple. That is it. Go to Crash Coupons and just find, using the search bar, for the Microsoft rewards points page. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.